Cubers, look what has arrived. We've got the Tornado design. Oh, we've got the X-Man. Okay, we've got the Tornado V4. This is the Pioneer Edition. Let's get into it and have a little look and see if it really does live up to the hype. Boom. Okay, so we've got the card, which says something. Not too sure, not gonna lie. Jim Zhang is a famous SpeedCube designer and the founder of the XM Design SpeedCube brand. Jim is in charge of the development of SpeedCube products for X-Man Design, Mofangji and Qiyi Cube lines for Qiyi blah blah blah. Okay. To be fair, Jim, you do a really good job, so keep it up. And we've got the, let's just focus. Here we go. This is it. This is it. Ooh. Okay, that is satisfying. That's like, I don't know, the GAN box, but better. Look at them magnets. Anyway, you don't want to see the magnets. You want to see the cube. So this is the Pioneer version. Pioneer version is UV coated from factory, looks really nice. And I believe this comes with a blank logo if you want to use it for blind. Just, there it is. Look at that. Oh, can I get it out? Whoa. Ah, there we go. So it does come with a blank center cap. Let's swap that out now just to make sure it matches, make sure it's real. And it fits because that is absolutely amazing. Does it go anyway? Yeah, it looks like it goes anyway. Am I being blonde? Right, there we go. Oh, and we can use it for blind. Not that I can solve a cube blindfolded, but you know, at least I now have the option to use it for blind. So it comes with a cleaning cloth, the typical XMD, what's this called? Cube pouch, which is like the leathery material. We've got, whoa, a lot of these. Okay, so we've got CFOP algorithms table. So if you want to learn CFOP, you've got that. I'm assuming this is just a tutorial. Yeah, okay, so that's like beginner's method, I want to say. Then we've got these two things, which is that and that. I don't know what they say. Let's open one up. That is more CFOP. Tornado, what? Okay, so what? Why do we need? No idea. Don't know why we need 3 of them. But anyway, Tornado V4 magnet and dual adjustment system instructions, Pioneer Edition. Okay, so pretty much what we know, dual adjustment system with 25 tension/axis distance combinations. So we've got 5 tension adjustments and 5 distance. Okay, turning counterclockwise to adjust the axis, turn clockwise to adjust spring tension. I'll tell you what, let's have a look at the cube. First turns. Oh, that is smooth. So corner cut is really nice. You can go to just over 45, slightly over 45. Not too sure what the magnets are yet. I haven't done too much research into this, but oh goodness. Okay, so okay, it definitely attracts to that middle magnet, but them outer magnets, I'm not too sure what they do. Is it attracting to it or repelling? I feel like they're pretty pointless. What do they even do? Oh, okay, so that's repelling. Oh, okay, so they repel and that attracts. Okay. Yeah, makes sense. We should be able to adjust. Yes. So if you adjust this magnet, so if I turn this clockwise, it also turns this one clockwise. And I believe that is a function only of the Pioneer version. The Tornado, you've got to do them all one by one. Could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what Qiyi said. So we've got 5 different magnet adjustments, and it just changes the depth of how close the magnet sits to the front of the housing. So if you turn it all the way to the left, it's going to be weak, and if you turn it all the way to the right, it's going to be strong. So let's pop it back in the middle where it was. Let's pop this back in. Actually, I'll tell you what, no. Let's adjust them all to the strongest setting. I wish there was a way you didn't have to take the whole cube apart. Like, is there not a way we can just adjust, like, one somehow? Probably not. That seems a bit... That I think I'm grasping for straws there. That's not going to happen, is it? Where we just adjust one corner and everything changes. Alexa, change the magnet strength on my cube. So let's take that out. That one. Okay, so that's done. Chuck that back in there. Oh, okay, yeah, there is a big difference there. Oh. Oh, what did I do? Should we do a solve? Let's do a hand scramble. I love the fact that it comes with a blank center cap. That is amazing. We are, I've said this in the last video, but we are working towards releasing a UV coated blank center cap for cubes. Right, let's do a solve. I average about 25 seconds, so there will be some bits of this where you're gonna think, oh my God, why is he doing that? But yeah, anyway. I think I probably need to reduce the magnets down. That's like really strong. What was that? Oh, I should have timed it. Okay. I can't wait to go back and watch this and see how that felt. Sort of better than average. Should have timed it. Why didn't I time it? I'm sure in post-edit I'll put up on the screen what this was. But okay, overall I'm really impressed with this. I'm gonna drop a little bit of my favourite combo in, which is Swift and Blitz. I really should be cleaning out the cube first, because I think Chi's lube, I'm sorry if you're watching this, anyone that works at Chi or Jim, I apologise. But I don't really like the Chi lube. I don't like the factory lube. I think best thing to do when you get your Tornado is going to be take the lube out that it comes with and get yourself a little bit of KewbzUK lube. Blitz and Swift is absolutely amazing. That's the orange and the blue. They are on sale on the website. You can get a bundle. I would recommend all 4. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to recommend it. Get Swift, get Blitz, pop it in your V4. That is insane. What am I doing? Oh, I don't know. I don't know what I've done. No. Okay. We saved it. Okay. Not. How can I say this without sounding like I'm trying to upsell? But that is just an absolute game changer. Even without rubbing out the old lube, like I still am going to do that. But Swift and Blitz, Swift on the track. So I get asked a lot of like competitions how we lube the cubes, how we set them up. The thicker lubes, as a general rule of thumb, so Swift and Glide pop on the bottom of the track, like down here, and then the runnier lubes, so Dash and Blitz, pop on like as a topper. So you'd pop on like the contact pieces, and I do also drop like one bit on the corner stalk, on the base of the corner. So yeah, anyway, that is the Tornado V4. This is the Pioneer version. These are in stock. I believe the flagships are downstairs as well, but I haven't actually unpackaged that yet. But yeah, you can grab this right now and it will ship first thing tomorrow morning. So thank you for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.